NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 Series Graphics. Built on NVIDIA's award-winning 3rd Gen RTX architecture, these GPUs provide the most realistic ray-traced graphics and cutting-edge AI features for the most powerful graphics in a gaming laptop. 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processors. With PCIe Gen 4 performance and DDR5 memory for speeds of up to 5200 MHz, the new Intel i7 13800H 14-core processor is able to keep pace with the most resource-hungry tasks without breaking a sweat.
QHD 240HZ display. Experience smooth, responsive gaming that comes with a greater level of detail. Enable NVIDIA G-Sync to eliminate screen tearing for an immersive, stutter-free experience. Ultra portable, incredibly light, portable by nature, yet uncompromising in performance. The Blade 15 is 25% smaller than the Blade 16, a perfect companion that gives you the power to game anywhere. Patented vapor chamber cooling. With a large surface area covering the CPU and GPU, dual fans, and thinner 0.05 mm exhaust fins,
Easy upgradability. With an extra M2 slot, up to 4 TB, and user upgradable memory slots that support up to 64 GB of memory, the Blade 15 can be outfitted to meet the most demanding needs.